Good morning, children. Hope you people are doing well. Welcome to today's session, children. Today, we are going to read the poem Not Just a Teacher But a Friend from Unit 3. Before we start with today's session, let us have a look at the objective. By the end of the session, students will be able to comprehend the poem and they will be able to identify the rhyming words and theme of the poem. So, children, get ready with your textbooks. Now, we are going to start with the poem Not Just a Teacher But a Friend. The poem Not Just a Teacher But a Friend is a poem that describes the great role of teacher in students' life. Teachers changes life. Having a positive influence in the form of a teacher can make or break a human being. Years after, when we are out of school, we remember the teachers that change our life. Isn't it, children? So let us start our poem now. Before we start with the poem, let us have a look at the glossary. Trust, believe, hide, put or keep something in a place where it can't be seen, fade, something becoming paler or less bright. Now this poem is divided into 5 stanzas, children. So look in your textbooks. I had nowhere to turn and had nowhere to go. This is just something I think you need to know. I don't know what made me trust you. I still remember the day when I told you what I have been through. I thought I should run away, go hide in a hole, but then you really brought out my true soul. Here, the student says that when he was in a confusion state where he was unable to decide where to go and whom to tell, as he had no one to support him, he approached his teacher. The reason why he trusted him is not known to him, but he wanted to share his sorrows with him. He still remembered the moment when he approached the teacher and told about his condition, when he felt to run away, far off place and hide somewhere in a hole. Then it was his teacher who brought him his inner abilities and strength and bring out the real spirit of the student to face the problem. Now let us move to the next stanza, children. As each day grew longer, our trust became stronger. Each time I wanted to cry, you stayed there right by my side. So as the days passed on, his belief on the teacher became stronger. Whenever he felt to cry or faced any difficulty, the teacher was by his side as a support to him and bring back his strength. The teacher helps him like a friend and talks to him like a well-wisher. Now let us go move to the next stanza, children. Then I moved to the next grade. Boy, was I afraid that our trust would slowly fade, but I was wrong. We are still strong. But when he had to move to the further class, the student was scared that his bond and trust with his teacher will go away. The student was wrong in his thought. Instead of the bond becoming weak, it became more stronger. Even though sometimes you don't have time, you at least ask me if I am fine. Even though sometimes I am not, I feel like I have just been shot. I smile and say, yes, I am all right. Then I walk away and you are out of sight. I will just have to wait. I still have my faith. Although the teacher was so busy in his work, he takes time and asks the student if he was fine. The student always says that he is fine, even when sometimes he was not fine at all. The student feels happy that the teacher still thinks about him and gives him some time to talk with him. So the student smiles and says that he is all right. After that, the student moves and the teachers too. Still, the student is waiting for the right time to have his good luck when all his problems will go away. Now, coming to the last stanza of the poem, I'm so glad that you were there when I was sad, and this is what makes you not just my ninth grade teacher, my friend. Here, the student says that he is very proud that the teacher was always there for him whenever he needed his support in his sorrow, and all these qualities of being kind and friendly with him makes him his best friend, not just a teacher of ninth grade. So, what does we learn from this poem, children? In this poem, the poet glorifies the relationship between the teacher and the student by saying that the student trusts his teacher. In times of trouble, the teacher brings out the real spirit of the student to face the problem. The relationship between the teacher and the student is just not limited to learning but also extended to friendship. By the passage of time, their trust becomes stronger and stronger. It never fades. The student and the teacher remembers each other forever. I hope you people have understood the poem. Now it's time for you to take down your home assignment. Why does the student consider teacher as his friend? Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.